Wanted to make money online from your own home? This is just what I'm going to show you in today's video, and you won't need any money or a credit card to do it. So the method that I'm going to teach you in today's video is for beginners. It's extremely simple and takes around 20 minutes a day to complete, and you don't need any ability or expertise to do it. This website currently appeals to me because it provides an automatic PayPal depository within 24 hours, implying that you can obtain your money within 24 hours. It's incredibly quick and efficient, and you can receive money right away. It's also completely free, so you won't have to spend anything to use this method, and it's available worldwide, so anyone in any nation can do it after viewing this video. Right now I'm going to show you your PayPal profits. As you can see, completing a 5-minute simple task can earn you $25, a 10-minute task can earn you $75, and a 30-minute task can earn you up to $300. I'll teach you how to accomplish things on your computer or phone, so make sure you stick around and don't miss any of this video. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Best Finance, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. The website I'd like to present to you today is validately.com. This is a totally new way that I'd like to show you how to execute step by step. But first, I'd like to demonstrate that PayPal accepts people from all around the world, as evidenced by the 200 countries and regions listed below, because they've collaborated with large names like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. This is unquestionably a legitimate company with a serious opportunity. Now, I'm going to show you some real-life instances of what I'm going to be demonstrating, so you can follow along with me step by step before testing out this website. So, when you go to this website, you can also register as a tester and start making money online. However, it's important that you don't skip any portion of this video, since they will ask you a total of 16 questions, which you must answer correctly in order for them to approve your sign-up. So before you go to the website and check it out for yourself, I want you to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to click on this Create Account button right now, and as you can see, this is question number 1. I'm going to do it live for you until question 16. I'm going to offer you a real-life example and show you exactly how to do it so you can start earning money. Don't skip any steps. I'm going to come back here and finish my registration right now. Next, what kind of mobile device do you have? I have an iPhone, so I'll pick that. The next question is, what type of computer do you own? Would you choose a Mac or a Windows PC? In my case, I have a Windows PC, so I'm just going to click Next right here. What version of Windows do you use? I'm going to choose Windows 10 here, so simply press the Next button. Next, select your gender by clicking on it. The fifth question is, what year were you born in? Now I'll just enter in my response and click the Next button. Next, it's important because if you select a college graduate, you'll be offered a higher paying job, because you're an adult with a source of income at a job. So I strongly advise you to select a college graduate and then click on the Next button. Next, your employment status, which you can choose from self-employed, full-time, or part-time. I'm going to choose self-employed, and then I'm just going to click Next to see what industry you work in. When you click on here for question number 8, you'll see that there are a lot of options, and you can even click on these to display additional results and have them show more results for you. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and make some money. Let's keep going. Right now I'll give you a bonus tip. if you work in the information technology field, or something else related to software and computers, you'll make a lot more money on our website. So for myself, I choose information technology and then simply press the next button. As you can see, question 9 is a job title. So when I click on this tab right here, you can see that there are a lot of options to choose from. I'll select marketing and will search marketing techniques right here. Just type marketing and locate your search, and then I'll just click next. Now, once your annual household income is displayed, feel free to choose the option that best suits you. I'll choose next and just click the next button. And now it asks for your entire name, so I'll simply type it in here. Question 12. What is your email address? So right here type in your email address and then click next. Question 13 is important because they need your PayPal email so that they can transfer money to your PayPal account. Once you finish your job, just make sure your YouTube is in the correct PayPal email. So, once I've entered my PayPal email address, I'll go to the following step. Question 14 is simple. Simply type in your password. Now we'll move on to question 15, which is really essential since they'll ask you what time zone you live in. Now when you click on Detect My Location, you'll want to right-click on this link and select the time zone manually. And in any case, select the option that best suits you. Now this is question 16. All you have to do is click Yes, I agree and sign up. After answering these 16 questions, you have successfully registered your account. I know that's a lot of questions and answers, but if you watch this video and copy exactly what I did, you can do it in under 2 minutes. As you can see, they're going to give you a confirmation email, so make sure to check your inbox for a message from the website, and then click the link in the email to activate your account. Now, after you click on the link, you'll be taken through a 1-minute screener test, and I'll show you exactly how to do it, as well as a live example of how you can make money on this website. And then you can go ahead and click on the screener test right now by clicking on the screen button here. You can do this either on your computer or on your phone. It only takes around 1 minute to complete this task, which is really quick. Now when you're activating your account, make sure you use Google Chrome on your phone or computer to open this page, using the link in your email. Then as you can see here, I'm going to test the website with money. Click on this swipe button and they'll give you a tutorial and you can watch the ads, but it's all really simple. This greenish little bubble here is what you can click to see what work you have to perform. So this is where your instructions will be displayed, right here in this green wall, and then I'm simply going to click on Next. Now with this ball you'll return to the top right-hand corner, where you may always click this to show or hide the assignment if you need it. So right now, I'm going to click OK, and I'm ready to start this test. To begin, please install the Validately extension by clicking on this icon here. When I press this button, we'll be taken to this page, which currently has over 30,000 users, who are utilizing it to test the website from their homes on their computers or phones. You can earn PayPal money by doing so make sure you can add this blue button to your Chrome browser, so they may utilize the software to begin testing websites on your computer and phone. So once you've downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you will start receiving jobs like this one, where they want you to test the Amazon website. This is one of the jobs that you might receive. All you have to do is go to the Amazon website and they'll provide you the link. All I have to do now is click on this link right here and go to the Amazon website. Step number 2, please take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. The reason you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is because they want us to provide evidence of proof that we actually visited the Amazon website. So all you have to do now is take a quick screenshot on your phone. If you're using your phone right now, if you're using a computer, you can just use the print screen button to take a screenshot of your entire screen. Or you can use something like this, for example, a snipping tool, and then simply drag, and then take a screenshot of the home page. Next, save the image right here. This is the proof. Now to step number 3, they wanted me to check if I could find that today's offer on Amazon and take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to go to the Amazon website and look for that today's deal. As you can see here, when they go to the Amazon website, they want us to locate today's deal, since they want to optimize its location, because it can be difficult for customers to find what they want on some websites. So now, I'm going to start looking for it, and once I locate it, I'll take a screenshot and store it just as I did before. Down to step 4, take a screenshot of the Scott Standard bath tissue. No, I'm not sure what this is about, but I'm going to highlight this one and copy it right here. And then I'm going to go back to the Amazon website and paste the full queue where they just pushed on search. And here it is, right in front of you. I'm just going to click on this image, and then I'm going to snap a screenshot of the full page as confirmation that I did find this Scott tissue paper. So as you can see, this stage is really easy. They want us to test the website because they want to make sure that whenever a consumer searches on the Amazon website, they are able to locate the current deal and whatever item they are looking for. So if you offer them proof that the photo of the screenshot indicates that we actually accomplished that assignment, we'll be able to get paid through PayPal. Now, as you can see, the job is very simple. It will only take a few minutes to complete them, and as you gain more experience, you will be able to complete them faster and faster, and you will be able to find so many jobs and websites to reveal, and you will be able to make so much PayPal money again and all over again. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.